दोस्तों, तो चलिए आज की करंट अफेयर शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट, आयोनेक्स ऑक्सीजन प्लांट inaugurated in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is inaugurated a new cryonic oxygen plant has been commissioned by Ionex Air Product. Uttar Pradesh capital Lucknow. Next, India's first urban manufacturing hub to be set up in Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edapi K. Palaniswamy, our governor is Bananlal Purohit. Next, Indian Air Force Day celebrated in every year at October 8, established in October 8, 1932. So it's 2020 October 8 is celebrating 88th anniversary the Indian Air Force Day. So next, India Japan Cabinet approves Memorandum of Cooperation on Cyber Security. Japan capital Tokyo and Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga. Next, Rajeshwar Rao, new Deputy Governor of RBI, recently appointed on October 7, 2020. RBI Governor Shaktikant Das. Next, PM Modi launched the Jano Andolona campaigning for COVID-19 pandemic. This campaigning reminds the people to wear masks, to wash hands, and to follow the social distancing and to practice 2 gaj duri to fight this situation. Next, Ajinkya Rahane, former cricketer of India, is signed as brand ambassador of Hudley. Hudley is a Delhi-based posted event startup. As India BCCI Board of Cricket Council Chairman Saurav Ganguly and headquarters is Mumbai. Next, Russia test fire hypersonic cruise missile at Triskan. This test fire was conducted on the occasion of birthday of Russian President Vladimir Putin. Russia capital Moscow. Next, Smriti Irani launched the first ever brand and logo for Indian cotton. Indian World Cotton Day on October 7, 2020. Smriti Irani, constituency Amethi, Maharashtra. Next, study estimates 15 million tons of microplastics on the sea floor. The Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research CSIRO headquarters is Canberra, Australia. Australia Science Agency CSIRO the headquarters is Canberra, Australia. Next, API Application Programming Interference integration between Prime Minister, street vendors, Atmanirbhar and SBI portal launched. These two platforms are integration between API Application Program Interference. Next, Union Minister Ram Vilas Paswan passes away at 74. Ram Vilas Paswan, Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Food Public Distributions. This is from Bihar, 8-time Lok Sabha member and Rajya Sabha MP. He is from Lok Janashakti Party. Next, IMD Indian Meteorological Department plans to launch dynamic impact-based cyclone warning system. This warning system to help the minimizing the economic losses and damage the property due to intense of a weather system. Next, Nobel Prize in Literature 2020 awarded to American poet Louis Gluck. Next, India's economy to contract 9.6% in FY21 due to COVID-19 pandemic. World Bank estimates India's economy contract 9.6%. World Bank, Washington DC. Next, headquarters. Next, Gujarat government launches Digital Seva Setu program for rural areas. Gujarat Prime Minister Vijay Rupani, Governor Acharya Devavrata. This program also helpful for 3,500 village panchayat and connected with 100 MB optical fiber network. Next, Ministry of Road Transport and Highway enhance the fund allocation for developing roads in Northeast India. Union Ministry of Road and Transport Highways Ministry and Nitin Gadkari. That's all. आज की करंट अफेयर बस इतना ही। तो चलिए पिछले करंट अफेयर को रिवीजन करते हैं। First, Dinesh Kumar Khara has been appointed as new chairman of which bank? That is SBI. India's economy is expected to contract by how much current fiscal year in 2020 to 2021? That is 9.6%. Which state launched in the first phase of Digital Seva Setu program for the rural area on the October 8? गुजरात, तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटक, मध्य प्रदेश। गुजरात। ओ सॉरी, इस आज का करंट अफेयर में डाला है। ओके ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। व्हाट इज द न्यू ब्रांड नेम ऑफ इंडिया's प्रीमियम कॉटन? कुमल, शक्ति, कस्तूरी, कुमकुम, कस्तूरी। नेक्स्ट, द यूनियन कैबिनेट हैज approved MOU on cyber security between India and which nations? Australia, Russia, Germany, Japan. Japan. When is the World Cotton Day observed? October 7, 6, 5 and 3rd October 7. Next, which nation has announced that it will accept the only who recognize the COVID-19 vaccine? Bangladesh. Capital? Dhaka. Next answer is Bangladesh. Next, Accenture appointed Dash as a Chief Strategic Officer. Divakar Ghosh, Bhaskar Ghosh, Padmankar Ghosh, Ratnakar Ghosh and Divakar Ghosh. That is Bhaskar Ghosh. Next, which bank has recently become the first in the country to launch debit card facility for the customers availing loan against security from the bank? HDFC Bank, Yes Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, SBI. That is ICICI Bank. Next, Hyderabad-based Mega Fast Beverage has won the battle against Dash to use the trademark of Mountain Dew. Which beverage? That is Coke, Red Bull, ICTIC, P&G and PepsiCo. That is PepsiCo. Thank you दोस्तों for watching this video.